Welcome to another episode of ArXiv Preprint Server Daily, AI Frontiers, where the latest in cutting-edge research is brought to light. Today, the focus is on human-computer interaction, often referred to as HCI, within the realm of computer science. This episode dives into a selection of papers published on May 3, 2025, offering a snapshot of innovative ideas shaping the field. The objective here is to uncover how technology can better serve human needs, addressing real-world challenges. Let's embark on a journey through advancements in education, communication, and safety, exploring how these studies pave the way for meaningful interactions between humans and machines. Let's begin with an overview of human-computer interaction, or HCI, a field dedicated to designing computing systems that are intuitive and accessible for users. HCI bridges the gap between the logic of technology and the nuances of human behavior, aiming for seamless interaction. It touches on critical aspects like usability, accessibility, and user experience across various industries. From smartphone apps to virtual reality training environments and aviation navigation tools, HCI ensures technology integrates smoothly into daily life. The papers under discussion today highlight HCI's pivotal role in advancing education, enhancing safety, and improving communication. One prominent theme in HCI research is the transformation of education through technology. Digital tools are reshaping how learning happens, making it more engaging and accessible. A notable study by ArXiv and colleagues from 2025 introduces FlowTrainer, a system for creating virtual reality training content for manufacturing skills. Another work by Gritz and team, also from 2025, examines how visual complexity in educational videos affects learner engagement. Both studies focus on reducing technical barriers for educators and enhancing the learning experience, with the ultimate goal of making education scalable and impactful through thoughtful, intuitive design. Another key area of HCI research is assistive technology for communication. Innovative AI-driven tools are being developed to facilitate better human connections. One study presents an AI speaking assistant designed to support non-native speakers in multilingual conversations, aiming to improve clarity and confidence. A separate paper explores how conversational AI can assist human agents in question-answering tasks, enhancing collaboration. The challenge lies in balancing the support these tools provide with the potential workload or stress they may add to users, ensuring that technology aids rather than hinders effective communication. HCI also plays a crucial role in enhancing navigation and safety in high-stakes environments like aviation. A study by Mean and colleagues from 2025 investigates various input methods, such as speech, touch, and even traditional paper, for pilot taxiway navigation under stressful conditions. Using a Wizard of Oz setup, where a human simulates ideal automation, the research tests how these methods perform in ensuring accuracy and trust. The goal is to design tools that minimize errors and build confidence in critical situations, ensuring technology supports users when it matters most. Visual design and user experience form another vital theme in HCI, deeply influencing how information is interpreted and engaged with. One study develops a taxonomy for analyzing historical visualizations, offering a framework for modern design inspiration. Meanwhile, research by Gritz and team from 2025 connects visual complexity, defined as the density of elements like equations and content, to disruptions in learning. The aim is to create interfaces that inform without overwhelming, ensuring that visual elements enhance rather than detract from the user's ability to process and understand information. Turning to key findings across these HCI studies, several insights stand out for their impact on design. ArXiv and colleagues found that their FlowTrainer system significantly reduces the time and expertise needed to create virtual reality training content. Gritz and team discovered that high visual complexity in educational videos often leads to increased student dropouts. Mean and colleagues noted that paper-based methods sometimes outperform digital tools in aviation safety due to trust factors. Additionally, AI assistants improve speech flow for users but can add workload stress, while intentional prompting strategies enhance human-AI collaboration outcomes. The methodologies behind these HCI insights are diverse and carefully crafted to balance technical rigor with human-centered focus. User studies, such as those testing AI speaking assistants in real-world scenarios, provide direct feedback on performance. Simulations, like the medium-fidelity setups used by Mean and team for aviation testing, allow safe exploration of high-risk situations. Taxonomy development helps structure complex data, as seen in historical visualization analysis. Mixed methods approaches combine behavioral data with user interviews, while iterative design refines tools like FlowTrainer through repeated testing and feedback cycles. Let's delve into a standout paper by ArXiv and colleagues from 2025, titled Interactive Authoring of Outcome-Oriented Lesson Plans for Immersive Virtual Reality Training. The objective was to simplify virtual reality lesson creation for non-technical educators. Through user studies with welding experts, their FlowTrainer system was tested, showing a significant reduction in time and expertise needed for designing training content. This innovation democratizes virtual reality for vocational education and manufacturing, addressing real skills gaps with scalable solutions, making it a critical contribution to the field. Another compelling study by Gritz and colleagues from 2025 focuses on visual complexity in educational videos. The objective was to understand how visual design impacts learner engagement. By analyzing interaction data, such as pauses and rewinds, using a detailed complexity taxonomy, the research revealed that dense visuals often lead to more dropouts. This finding guides educators and platforms toward simpler, focused content design for online learning, offering actionable insights that could reshape digital education strategies moving forward. A third noteworthy paper by Mean and colleagues from 2025 evaluates input modalities for pilot-centered taxiway navigation. Aiming to enhance aviation safety, the study used a Wizard of Oz simulation to test speech, touch, and paper-based methods. Surprisingly, paper often outperform digital tools due to trust issues among pilots. This advocates for hybrid solutions in high-stakes environments, emphasizing the need to balance automation with human intuition. Its relevance to safety and trust design makes this research particularly significant for critical systems. Looking ahead, the future of HCI research holds exciting possibilities alongside notable challenges. Personalization stands out, with adaptive tools tailoring content to individual learning or communication needs. Building trust in AI through transparent decision-making explanations is another priority. Hybrid systems blending manual and digital approaches could dominate safety-critical tasks. Managing workload to minimize cognitive load and fostering interdisciplinary collaboration between tech, psychology, and domain experts are also key. These directions aim to ensure technology remains a supportive partner across diverse human contexts. In conclusion, these HCI studies from May 3, 2025, underscore a field prioritizing empathy in design, as exemplified by ArXiv and team's FlowTrainer. Insights from Mean and Gritz and their respective teams highlight the importance of trust and simplicity in technology. The future of tech must adapt to human needs, balancing innovation with usability. Thank you for exploring these frontiers with ArXiv Preprint Server Daily. Stay curious about how technology can enhance human lives through thoughtful, human-centered solutions. Behind the scenes, this presentation was crafted using advanced tools to ensure a polished narrative. Content synthesis was aided by the GPT model Grok 3 for structuring the discussion. Audio narration was developed using Amazon's text-to-speech technology for clear delivery. Visuals for the slides were created with Stable Diffusion, enhancing the design. All generated content underwent expert human review to guarantee accuracy. The goal remains to deliver insightful research narratives to the audience. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from ArXiv. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights.